we read in class 4 Newton. Today hear our group singing autumn season song. First we introduce ourselves.
Myself Nancy Garden. Myself Rachman Nepali. Myself Satish Todori.
Myself Roman.
Myself Ashish Rogai. Myself Abhishan Pokhrel. Myself Kirtika Pokhrel.
Myself Arpan Gorathagi.
Myself M. Madhur Jha.
Now we are starting. Please listen carefully. Autumn leaves are falling, falling to the ground. Autumn leaves are falling, yellow, red and brown. Falling, 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 falling to the ground. Falling, 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 yellow, red and brown. Pick them up and gather in a pretty bunch. Autumn leaves are falling in the park they crunch. Falling, 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 falling to the ground. Falling, 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 yellow, red and brown. Yellow, red and brown. Thank you.
Thank you so much.